Hello and what is going on, lovely people of the internet? It is Hootmoney here with another video for you guys today. Today we're going to be talking about Jasper Therapeutics, JSPR. This stock is up 140% as of today, currently trading at around $17.21, reaching a high of over $18 on the day, and it's actually happened very recently. Guys, there was a new analyst price target of around $22. We're going to get into this later in the video, but it was by Oppenheimer, and you could have predicted this, and I will be showing you guys how you can actually predict some of these movements through SEC filings. But you have to be able to have these on your radar. You have to be able to do the due diligence as well. And lucky enough for you guys, I actually called this one out in my Discord server. We're going to flip over to that right now. Today at 8:56 a.m. I said that JSPR was on my watch list, and if we go into the JSPR chart, you guys can see that around 9 a.m. JSPR was trading at $9 per share, and it's now up to $17 per share. So there you go. The Discord server is absolutely free, and I'm very motivated to provide you guys with some free value up front with that Discord server, so check that out. First link in the description. But yeah, let's just take a look at the current price action of JSPR. It really did have a nice rally here in the morning up till 10:20 p.m. Then it consolidated a bit, then the rally continued, and this is one of the biggest stocks with the most volume today. If we zoom out to this hourly chart, it had almost zero volume until today, until it got that price target increase, and this one was actually on my radar as of last night, so this is why it was on my watch list. I saw it go up in the after hours, so I was watching it into today's date, and that's why I included it on my watch list. So right off the bat, you guys might be pressured to buy into this because it's rallying, it's up 140%, and you don't want to miss out on the gains. But at the same time, RSI is completely overshot, MACD is also very overshot, so I'm not going to say that it's going to come back down, because a lot of the times these biopharmaceutical plays or these therapeutic plays or whatever you want to call it, they don't come down after they rally. So with that being said, there's probably not a great opportunity for a short, and if you're doing a long right now, you are paying a premium, so both can be potentially risky. And if we just look at this daily chart, it went completely flat up until September. That's when it was a SPAC. Then it did the SPAC cycle where it rallied with its merger announcement and then sold off after the merger, seeing a low of $7.11. Then of course we got that price target this morning by Oppenheimer, which sent this stock into a parabolic run. It looks absolutely crazy right now in terms of volatility right there on the chart. We'll go to the 1 minute candles. It's trying to find support on that 25 moving average for its next leg up, but there is a lot of selling pressure in the current minute. If you guys wanted to check out this charting software, it's WeBull desktop. I'm going to show you guys their promotion right there on the screen right now. They're giving away some free stock up to about $2,000 in free stock just for depositing at least $1 on their platform. So if you guys haven't checked it out yet, definitely check it out. Even if you don't want to trade stocks on it, it's a great trading software for just analyzing stocks and cryptocurrency, and they have Shiba Inu now as well, so check that out if you guys want. And let's just go look at exactly why this thing jumps. So why Jasper Therapeutics stock is soaring today. This is Benzinga staff writer, and you guys can see that Oppenheimer analyst Jay Olson initiated coverage on the stock with an outperforming rating and gave a price target of $21 per share. The Oppenheimer analyst cited the potential of Jasper Therapeutics conditioning agents for hematopoietic stem cell transplantation. Now, I'm not a medical professional, so honestly I have no idea what that means, but you could have anticipated a price movement because just a week ago Amgen acquired about 7% of the company. When you do see a big company like this acquiring a smaller stock, this is a very bullish sign for that smaller stock, simply because Amgen has all the resources in the world, and if they do see something worth giving a 7.4% stake in the company, then it very likely is a good company that has a bright future. You can't ignore this type of thing. And Amgen actually filed this on October 1st, and there was plenty of other healthcare funds. Roche Finance, that's another big company. Citadel Advisors, we're just going to ignore them because we don't like them. Avago Management, Amplitude Healthcare as well. So with with all of these companies acquiring a stake in Jasper Therapeutics, it shows why exactly the Oppenheimer analyst might have given it an increased price target. So if you guys really dig deep into these SEC filings, you can find some absolute gems in terms of due diligence, and you can be well ahead of the curve and then cash in on 100% gains in a single day. Now, obviously, it's not a foolproof strategy. There is some risk involved. You're not always going to get those 100% gains just because this happens, but it's obviously a very good resource to use. And the people who dig into the SEC filings and they do that dirty due diligence that no one else wants to do, they typically are the ones who do get rewarded, and they are the ones that are early on a stock and aren't jumping in when it's already up 100%. What's awesome about JSPR, Jasper Therapeutics, is that there's actually some short squeeze behind it as well. As you guys can see from this Ortex data, they don't really have new data just because it recently de-SPACed, it recently merged. It takes a little bit of time for the data to come in and actually get accurate estimates on the float and short interest, etc. But what they do have right here is a 335% cost to borrow, which is absolutely insane. 100% utilization. So every possible share in existence is being shorted currently, so you can't even short the stock if you guys wanted to. And the days to cover is 0.14, but I'm not going to take that into too much consideration as they don't really have an accurate estimate of short interest currently. As you guys can see here on Fintel, as of 21 hours ago, there are 0 shares available to be shorted. So this is truly pinpointing that 100% utilization. You can't short this stock. Almost no one can. So that could also be an explanation why this stock is going up, from potential short covering and the fact that shorts can't hammer down the stock. Fintel has the borrow rate at a 135% as of 21 hours ago. Now Ortex's was a lot higher, so I would think that it's probably around the 135% range. That's probably a better accurate estimate. Now right here we have the short squeeze leaderboard, and it is not currently on this leaderboard. However, I do believe that's because it just recently did its merger. It recently did de-SPAC, so they don't have all the data necessary to put it up here on this list. So potentially in the future, in the coming months, as this data gets sorted out by their data providers, they will be able to update it and put it on this list. So again, guys, this thing is up 100%, and although the price target by the Oppenheimer analyst was about $21 per share, that would show that there is increased upside. However, those price targets aren't expected to hit in an exact day, so I do think that it won't necessarily have these same gains concurrently. I do think it might trade sideways for a bit, and potentially we will see some consolidation because it is definitely overbought currently. That being said, there are some catalysts coming up over the next few months, so I do think if you do catch it on a dip that you will be able to see some upside, just not the same upside that you are seeing currently at over 100% in a day. That's all I got for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. I hope you guys learned something. Yes, it is pretty boring to go through those SEC filings, but that's where you really do find the juicy information that you're not going to find on social media. You're not going to find it on Reddit. You're not going to find it on Twitter. You're quite literally only going to find that from the source itself. So I do highly encourage that you guys at least get familiar with searching for stocks on the SEC website, just so you can actually understand the catalysts from the source itself rather than relying on secondary information. You want that primary source, you don't want that secondary source. Anyways, that's about it for the video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Leave a like if you did, subscribe for more, hit those post notifications as well, and check out that link below in the description or pinned comment section for WeBull, where they're giving away up to $2,000 in free stock as long as you deposit any amount on their platform. That's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.